Welcome to this Choice Lending Corp video tutorial on Calyx Point. Topic for this video will be page 1 of the 1003 loan application. In another video, we covered how to open a new loan file. So we will work with a client that has been previously pre-qualified. Choose your branch, prospect, put in your client's name. You can either double click here or choose open. As you can see, we already have information that we gathered during the pre-qualification process, and now we're assuming here that the client has finally found a property and we're beginning to do the loan application. So this video will just cover page 1, loan application 1003, page 1. First choice up here, income assets of person other than borrower will be used. This includes the spouse. So if you come here and you have a different co-borrower than the spouse of the main borrower, then you want to click here. The income assets of the borrower, spouse, or other person will not be used. So if you're not using the spouse's assets, click here. Agency case number and lender case number, that will be supplied once the file goes into processing. Loan type, we're working with FHA, lien position, first, fixed rate. If you're doing another type of amortization, you will choose here. When pre-qualifying this borrower, we did so at $290. Let's say the contract actually came in at $280. Then you'll see here that the loan amount has changed. MIP will change. So will the monthly payment, principal and interest. If the rate has changed as well, you can make that change here, and it will change the loan amount, or the monthly mortgage payment. If you click here, you will see your rate adjustments for your ARM and your buy down and your graduated payment mortgage. We will not cover that in this video. So now you have a subject property. You want to put that here. If you put in a zip code, it will automatically populate the county if system can find it. Number of units and year built for right now, we will not input that. Legal description, that will come later as well. Want to make sure you choose the property type. It's very important. Purpose of loan, for this we doing a purchase, primary residence. You can see here that under construction loan that it's blanked out, but if you were to choose construction, it opens up. You will need to fill this portion out, as well as construction to perm. Same with refinance. If you choose cash out, this will open up, this will gray out. You need to put your information here. So we'll continue on with the purchase, primary. If you're doing an investment property, gross rent, occupancy rate. Title will be held in what name? If you just click here, it will auto-populate from the prospect page. And here's where you'll choose in what manner the title will be held. Fee simple is usually the choice here. You can see here source of down payment. Because we changed the purchase price, the down repayment requirement stayed the same, so we'll need to change this back to 3.5, and now our down payment has changed. So we'll want to source that down payment, and if you have from checking savings, you'll see that this will just zero that out. But let's say that you only have a portion of it here. Then you'll see your detriment here at $4,800, and then you could also choose and put your gift here possibly. And now you're zeroed out and your down payment requirement is covered. Section 3, borrower information. You want to make sure that the names are correct. Verify that. Suffix, we might want to put in some schooling. Choose a marital status. Put in some dependents. For many loan types, there is a residency requirement of 2 years. So if you just have 1 year, you can add more addresses here. Coming back here, we have the mailing address. If it's the mailing address, the current mailing address is the same as their present address, it'll auto-populate. If not, you can put in, let's say, a P.O. box or whatever, put that here. Instead of duplicating your efforts with the co-borrower, you can come here, click, and you'll see that much of the information has come over from the borrower, except for the dependents, and you can kind of fill that in if you want. All right, so that's pretty much it for page 1. Once again, as I showed in the other video, if you need more room on the screen, you can always come here and come here and open up the screen a little bit if you need it. You can always bring these menu items back. As always, I recommend that you save whatever progress you've made on a periodic basis, because you do not want to go through all of this work and then find out that it was not saved. So you can come here to File and Save, or simply click here and your information will be saved. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.